Today I'm going to show you how to use Sketchbook Free Edition to draw a galaxy, Milky Way, or night sky. So first I'm going to choose this airbrush and black color, make the size maximum, just spray on the picture. I'm using different kind of blues for this layer. And then I'm going to create a new layer and make it as a glow for the blend mode. For this layer, I'm going to choose under the texture essentials, dusty airbrush. I'm going to pick a different texture. This is very important, and make the size maximum. And I pick the lightest blue from the right hand side and then just spray on the entire image. You will notice the texture doesn't show up on the black area at all, but the more you spray, it will glow more on the blue area, which make the base for the Milky Way. And then we go on the third layer. We're going to make it a soft glow. This layer is for all the stars. So first we choose the two under speckled and make it glow. So this is still a texture essentials tool. We're going to make the randomness to 2 or less for size, flow, and spacing. So we're going to make the size as 100 and use 4 different type of blues on the right hand side just to draw the tiny stars. So we draw more stars on the blacker area and less star on the Milky Way. Then we're going to increase the size to 200 and draw bigger stars, still using the 4 different type of blues. Now we're going to draw even bigger stars by using this dotted brush, changing the brush type to glow, and then change the size to 20. We're going to draw one big star on the top, and then we're going to decrease the size to about 15 and then draw a few more stars. Notice that I'm using the color light blue here. So next we're going to make all these bigger stars to glow, and we are using a tool called Hard Airbrush. Also we're going to change the brush type to glow and keep using the light blue color, and then you're going to zoom in, and the size is going to be double the size as how the size you used for dotted 3, the previous brush. So for example, this one, the size used to be 15 for the dotted brush. Now we are using size 30 for the hard airbrush. You just keep clicking on the dot for like 7 times to make it glow. So now we're going to increase size to 40 to glow the bigger size 20 round star. So the last thing we're going to do, we're going to make the bigger star to sparkle. So now we're going to choose another brush, which is called Sparkle, and then make the brush type glow again. And we're going to change the size to 250, and then zoom in, click on this space a couple times, and then you're done. Do you like this simple and easy approach? Please let me know down below. If you want to encourage me to make more videos, please click the subscribe button. Thank you. Let's draw together. Bye.